Okay, for this item, I needed to think outside the box and bring it outside. It's way too big to be filmed where I normally do my videos, but it's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Subterranean Sewer Hockey game from 1990, I believe. Remco made it. So we're going to look at the box first. Pretty, it's pretty cool. I got it from an auction and haven't even gone through it to see like what all's in here. But from the pictures on the auction, it looked either complete or near complete. And I'm not 100% on the completeness. So we'll see as I open it. But I wanted to just show you like the box. This is the back of the box, which is not as impressive, but it's still nice. I mean, it has a lot of information on it. Yeah, it's 1990. Okay, the good news seems to be it is complete. As far as I can tell, I mean, I have a lot of work to do because all the decals are off of it. They're all in this bag now, but it seems like all the figures are here. There's supposed to be 12 of them. So I do have all 12 of them. To give a closer look at the figures themselves. So far so good. Like I said, it looks complete. Everything being here is a good thing. I am going to probably have this for sale. I don't know if it's realistic to put it on eBay. Because something this big, it would be damn hard to ship. Um, I have seen people selling them on eBay though. And there's the puck as well. The puck is a lot of times is missing. It seems like it's a pizza. A lot of times it seems like the puck is missing, and therefore on eBay just the puck by itself is $40 or $50, and I got the whole thing for 40. So just the puck alone, value wise, is what I paid for the whole entire thing. One more look back from back here, and that's this section. All right, I'm at the point where I want to do the restoration for this. I'm going to try to repair what I find that is wrong and replace all the decals that belong where they belong. First thing, I'm just going to clean it a little bit with some soapy water. Pretty dirty. some staining on it, but not too bad. It's just mostly dust and dirt, normal. I would think it's normal dirt that you would expect. And I'm just using a mild water and some dish soap, a mild detergent. Somewhat, I don't want it. It doesn't have to be pristine, obviously, but I do want to make sure it's cleaned first. Pretty dirty. This eventually will be for sale. As far as someone wanting to ship it, I don't know how that's going to work. That would cost the buyer a lot, but I am going to put it like on Facebook Marketplace and borrowing, selling it that way. I might take it to a toy show. I'm pretty sure at a toy show it would get people's attention and probably sell there, because I'm not going to be asking the crazy value of it. That's value complete and with everything, which I'm still not 100% that I have all the decals, but value of it seems to be around $150 to $200, and that's a conservative. So there's the paper towel that I used to dry it off after I cleaned it with soap. Pretty dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna just give the little mechanisms a spray with WD-40. Some of them seem to be having trouble with this one. See how it's stuck, skipping? Seems to be. So maybe if we spray with WD-40, I'm thinking. Okay, like I said, this can doesn't seem to want to spray, but it is leaking out somehow from somewhere. So I'm getting it on my hands and then applying it to the mechanisms, and I'm hoping that's work. I mean, it seems to be working on when I test it anyway. So that's the method I'm gonna have to use for right now. That seems to be having the desired effect to get it going, get them, the ones that were a little bit stuck are getting unstuck. All right, now I have these. For some reason, some of these came off and they need to be reattached. All right, so it has to go through like this. Okay. Well, that's not good. All right. There we go. Now luckily I have all the pieces. That's really all that matters. That's really all that matters. So I have the pieces to put it back together, to get it working. And that's, like I said, that's the main thing. The important part is I do have all the pieces. There we go. All right. Yeah. So as I, yeah, that's pretty good now. Let's see. was 3. Oh, it's one of them is the goalie right there. Goalie possession. Right. I don't know why this one's so much longer. Seems longer. A lot longer. I don't know why. That's weird. It is turning, but that one's longer for some reason than all the others. They're hard to get on these. It's good that they won't come apart though. All right. Okay. So it looks like I've gotten them all the mechanisms put in place where they belong now. I'm going to start to apply the decals. I don't know whether I have all the decals or not. I know that I saw one that looks like it has some tearing, so there's one at least. It's not perfect. These decals that I have lined up over here, I looked online and found a diagram and made a screenshot of it. So I was studying that. So that's how I came to know that these will go on this side. And I'm going to show it every step of the way. I mean, I'll show it when it's done, complete, obviously, with all the decals, but I'm going to glue them on. It's kind of pointless for me to film me doing that because it's going to be happening over here and you really won't see it on the video. So you'll just have to trust me that I'm going to glue them on here using super glue type of glue, like a plastic, all type super glue. Okay, here we have the first applications of the decals on the one side. You can see there's a little bit of glue that I'll need to clean up. A little bit of excess glue there. That should be no problem to clean that up. And now the other side is done. All the decals are on there. Oh, that one's coming off. It takes a while for this stuff to bond. You gotta hold it. Sometimes you have to hold it for a little bit. But they, once they take, it seems to be doing pretty good. Okay, I'm ready to put the rest of these decals down. I've got them where the best I could find. I don't have every single decal. I am missing a few here and there. But with what I do have, we will work with what we have. These ones that go on the board have to be as flush as I can get so they don't interfere with the actual gameplay when you're playing hockey. It's got to be the puck's got to fly across the surface, um, hopefully smoothly without anything sticking up and interfering. So hopefully that's the goal, is to have it do that. Okay, these are like sewer grates. There was supposed to be 4 of them, but I'm missing one, half of one. So I only have the half of that one. I'm gonna probably go ahead and put it down anyway, just the half. So I might have to come back and stick that down if it starts to come up. Sometimes they come up, they begin to come up, and I can stick them down. So there's one sewer grate down. I'm not going to film every little detail of this. I will come back and show that progress as I go along. Okay, this is an interesting part. It's like a pipe that runs along. I've been trying to get them to look like they're running along the straight line. That's challenging. But this is the final piece of that. So I thought I would include this part because to me I thought it was interesting. The pipe running like that. Okay, it's finished. I think it looks really good. Have all the pieces set up. And the mechanisms of one small piece is missing, and I thought I had all of them, but it looks like there's one guy will not be able to be controlled, and that's this position. This guy, rock steady, as I have him set up now, but that one cannot be controlled, will not be able to spin. He can go back and forth like along his track there, but he won't be able to spin. There's one piece missing. I thought I had all of them, but I don't. Okay, there's only one thing left for this video. I have my brother Don with me to try it out. So we're going to try this game out. Yeah, you got it. You're the only one that can reach it with this guy. One guy. Yeah, that guy's the only guy. Oh, shoot. Better watch out. I think your goalie's the only guy that can reach it. That side thing. Now this guy. Oh, shoot. You're trying to make a goal on yourself. You're supposed to be trying to get it in my goal. Shoot. This guy. I got you.
Score. You scored.
Okay, that's going to do it for this video. Please let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. This is really what I envisioned the channel to be. I thought I would be doing a little bit of thrifting videos, a little bit of toy unboxings, and reviews and restorations. So this was like my first real restoration. It was an ambitious project, and I'm glad it's over. I'm finally able to post it, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, as always. Please like and subscribe, and like I said, comment if you want to see more of this type of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more retro goodness from your retro toys.